If you want 700 or higher on SAT math, you need a plan that matches how the test actually awards points. This lesson gives a strategy overview, a rough accuracy target, and the mistake of only studying exotic topics. We will end with a reminder. Most points sit in medium difficulty mastery, not trick questions. A 700-plus goal is not about perfection on every topic. It's about high accuracy on high-frequency skills under time pressure. That means your study plan should prioritize repetition on the skills that show up on almost every test form. Think in tiers. A 700-plus path usually means you are nearly perfect on the earlier module, then still very strong on the harder second module. As a rough planning guide, many students aim for about 44 out of 44 on Module 1 and about 18 out of 22 on Module 2. Your exact numbers can vary with scaling, but the lesson is the same. Protect Module 1, then stay accurate under pressure on harder items. The adaptive test routes you to a harder second module when you perform well. Treat Module 1 like a qualification round you want to win cleanly. That is why careless errors on basic steps are so expensive. They can change the whole difficulty path you see later. Step 1, master fundamentals. Linear equations, systems, functions, and quadratics are the spine of the test. If those are automatic, you free up working memory for word problems and unfamiliar packaging. Step 2, know every formula you are expected to use quickly, including area, volume, circle equations, and exponential growth forms. Step 3, practice under timed conditions. Full sections beat random drills because timing is part of the skill. Mix question types in practice. Long stretches of only quadratics or only geometry create fake confidence that collapses on test day. Step 4. Review mistakes systematically. Tag each miss as concept, careless, or time. Then fix the root cause. Step 5. Use Desmos strategically for graphs, intersections, and checks, but keep mental algebra strong for speed. Step 6. Manage time with a tier system. Secure points early, mark tough items, return with a fresh eye if time allows. Step 7. Use an app like NovaMaths for targeted drills after you identify weak skills from your error log. Common mistake: studying only hard topics, while medium questions still leak points. SAT, about 80% of points come from medium difficulty items for many students. Nail the middle first. Sleep and review rhythm matter too. Cramming exotic problems the night before raises anxiety more than score. 2 weeks before the test, shift toward mixed timed sets so your brain practices switching topics the way the exam does. On test day, start with calm setup. Know where Desmos is, know your pacing plan, then execute one question at a time. You're building a repeatable performance, not hoping for a lucky form. That is how 700 plus becomes realistic. Track your score bands across practice tests. If you plateau, change one variable at a time. Timing, review depth, or topic mix. NovaMaths. Lessons and drills exist to compress that cycle. Diagnose, drill, retest, until the skill shows up cold on a new problem. Celebrate small wins. A week of fewer careless errors is real progress, even if your scaled score moves slowly at first. Momentum compounds when your review is honest and your next practice set targets what you actually missed. Recap: build automatic skills in algebra and functions. Know your formulas cold and practice with the clock. Review every error with a label, then train the weak pattern with focused repetition. Keep Module 1 nearly spotless. Stay sharp on Module 2, and remember the bulk of your score is medium mastery. Practice more on NovaMaths.